So what's left to do for all that graphic? And here's how it's going to work. I've got my post in the hole, my Godfather post. This is the wooden post. I need a fairly long drill bit that will go through the post fairly easily. The bolts that I'm going to attach, which are these things, they're a little bit bigger than 10 mils in diameter. They're pretty horrible looking things. They're 18 centimeters in length. There's a washer to prevent any liquid going into it. Prior to this going in, it's going to be placed in some grease and then put into the wall, or rather into the wood. But in order to do this, I need to know where to drill with the thicker drill bit. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to place this up against here, and it's looking pretty good at the moment. Okay, it should be dead in the center with an equal amount of the Godfather post either side. Yeah, that looks all right. Now, here's the tricky bit. I'm going to hold that there. I'm going to drill a hole into the wood using the 6 mil drill bit. And I'm going to go in as far as I can. And out I come. I'm going to do the same a bit further down. Driving it in with the 6 mil long drill bit, and out it comes. Now, what I've got here now is I've got 2 starter holes. So this bit comes out. And the 10 mil, which is the widest one I have, goes in. See how far that goes in. Voila. And I need to do the same here. In order to do that, I've got to take the Godfather post out, which is a faff because it's heavy, but it does need doing. Take that out, ready for the next part, or for the next one. There we go. Next, greasing this. Why am I greasing it? Well, it's not to act as lubricant so it goes in the hole, although that should be the thing. The reason I'm greasing this is so that if I need to work on my fence later on, or this post rots, I could take this out and I can reuse it because it won't have rotted, rusted, corroded, or even broke down in any way. In order to put it in nicely, I need a 20 mil socket and a ratchet here, and hopefully it'll go straight on. Mistake. Before you do this, make sure that the Godfather post is actually back where it should be. Fortunately, I've got somewhere just for that to rest. That's not bad. And as Punch said to Judy, that's the way to do it. Let's time lapse the rest.